Welcome to today's episode on estimating square roots. In the last video, we talked about how to find the square root of the perfect square numbers. And we remember that these numbers here are perfect square numbers. However, sometimes we are dealt with situations where we need to determine the square root of a non-perfect square number. In other words, we need to find the square root of a number, say, the square root of 21. Our first step is we need to determine whether or not this number is a perfect square number. By looking at the chart, you'll notice that there is no single number multiplied by itself that gives you 21. Next, we must look to find the two closest perfect square numbers. Looking at the chart, we know that the square root of 16 and 25 are the closest perfect square numbers. If we draw a number line, and here we have 16, and here we have 25, we can assume that 21 might fall somewhere along here. So we know that when we do the square root of 21, the square root of 25, and the square root of 16, we know that the square root of 21 ends up being between 5 and 4. Using this strategy, we can estimate that the square root of 21 is somewhere between 4 and 5. Thank you for learning today's lesson. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.